Introducing the KickStage. The KickStage is a high-quality, easy-to-use, small platform that easily fits underneath your bike's kickstand and is specifically designed to make most motorcycles stand up straight and look good while doing it. We created the KickStage because motorcyclists love to take pictures of their bikes. But when it's time to snap a photo of your two-wheeled beast, there's always the same problem. It's leaning, so you're forced to almost always photograph the right side. When you want to photograph the left side, you have to lean it up against the wall, or even worse,